UK plugs have a fuse inside. It's there for your protection. If something goes haywire with your lamp or your hairdryer, the fuse could stop you from getting a shock and may also prevent a fire.
I'll go along with that.
Now, fuses have a thin wire inside, and this is what happens if the fuse fails.
Oh.
Fuse is melted, definitely a dead fuse.
Oh, not a dead parrot.
Unfortunately, because of the hard shell, you can't see inside.
That's a pity.
So if an appliance has stopped working, replace the fuse with a new one of the same rating. The fuse in a moulded plug is the easiest to remove. Prise out the cover and the fuse and press in a new fuse of the same rating. Refit the cover plate and fit the plug back into the socket.
Okay.
Now, if the appliance is still not working, check the switches on at the socket. Check the consumer unit has not tripped.
Okay.
Check the loose wires, that's the open type. Try the plug in a different socket. If you can't find the fault, get help. The following applies if you have to fit a new plug and a fuse. Open the plug by slackening the centre screw. Use a Phillips screwdriver and turn it anti-clockwise. New plugs come with a 13 amp fuse. 13 amp is maximum for kettles, etc.
Yeah.
You may have to fit a smaller fuse.
I'm going to have to do that.
Remove the live pin and the fuse assembly, and remove the 13 amp fuse.
I'm going to keep that one.
Refit the holder with the right fuse.
Good idea.
Now, fuses for plugs come in different ratings, so if you are replacing a fuse, you should use the one to suit the appliance. The most common ones are 3, 5 and 13 amp. If you don't know the right size of fuse, the following will give you a guide.
Oh, good.
Most kettles, most toasters, most hairdryers are 13 amp.
Right.
Most table lamps are 3 amps.
Oh,
You can calculate the size.
Oh, no.
Amps equals watts divided by volts.
Okay.
So for a 1000 watt unit, the amps is 1000 divided by 230, which is 4.34. The fuse has to be slightly larger, so in this case, use a 5 amp fuse.
That's easy.
Look for the watts. For on the nameplate, the kettle is 3000 watts and needs a 13 amp fuse.
That's underside.
If you have to fit a wire to the plug, refer to my other video, How to Wire a UK Plug. A link to this video is shown at the start under the title.
Good.
More videos on household repair and maintenance to follow.